A Turkish scholar has said that the dynamic growth of Asian economies has improved the global economic landscape, boosting growth and international trade.
And not only China, but also other countries, Southeast Asian countries and other East Asian countries have a very successful developmental path. And also their growth rate is more than world average. Asian countries push further inter-regional trade and further economic integration in Asia in general. And of course this trade mobilization, trade integration and economic integration will have positive impacts to world economy too.
The experts also stressed the importance of cooperation in addressing common challenges.
In that regard, the leading economies, particularly emerging economies and the developed economies in the global north, should come together and also cooperate and address the issues and problems. There is need for further cooperation and collaboration in that regard.